Hello everyone. In this short video I just wanted to show this Bluetooth DIY Bluetooth model that you can make. Well, I found this in a Wii box, Wii console, so I saved it. Until recently I found this sort of article talking about how you can use this, and yeah, it's in this module, which is a Bluetooth module. It's a WMLC43, and there is a newer version that is called like J27H002. So here is just lists the things you would need to do this job, and here are the connections, and here is how the diagram for the circuit. Now, yes, and this is the pinout for the USB, so you can connect it to USB, and now are the steps. This is an article from the website. I just printed it out as a PDF, and I only used the images to do this thing. So yeah, it was a pretty successful little build. I've got here, this is ground at on the top, and this is 5V, and goes to this AMS 1117. Yeah, that's this one. Here's the data sheet. This guy right here. It accepts 5V and regulates it to 3.3V, which the module needs to work. So that's going here. This is the input, and this is the output. Also the tab is an output. So there are two pins on the model, or two pads, that are connected to that tab of the AMS 1117, and this one is connected to the sync button and to another 3.3V required here for the module. This is data plus going to here, and data minus is connected directly from here, just like I did with the ground, and it's working like perfectly. I just tested it. I tested sending a file to this very same phone I'm filming with. Now I cannot show you that, but I can show you the module working. So here I am. I'll just connect it. Yeah, and you'll see the icon Bluetooth module here, and it works like from the get-go. No drivers, no nothing, which is awesome. I'm just gonna put some hot glue and some heat shrinking tube on to protect it, and that'll be it. Alright, so there you have it. If you happen to get around one of these are sold on Aliexpress, by the way. Yeah, they're readily available as well, so you can buy it and make your own Bluetooth modules as much as you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This was like good thing for me, since I didn't have Bluetooth to begin with in the laptop. So a great thumbs up for this build.